Hey, I'm here at Jamont's house. We just finished the fence. As you can see right here, it's a pine stained, pre-stained fence we built, 6 foot with a trim. And I'm gonna switch it over. And you can go this way so we can. Yeah. So Jamont, let's start off. How did you find us, by the way?
Google.
Just Googling?
Google, man. Yeah. Found it on Google.
Yeah, and you were what did you Google? You just looking for a fence?
Looking for fence installation.
Yeah.
You know, and of course, when I Google, I look at the reviews.
Right.
Yeah, so you look at the reviews, I'm like, all right, you got more 5 stars than anything. I didn't see any 1 stars, maybe 1, but
yeah,
that's whatever. But just looking at the reviews, the people were saying, I was like, well, let me give them a call. You know what I'm saying? See what we got going.
Right.
Man.
And then we contacted you right away.
Yep, right away.
And then I found out you were a veteran, right?
Yeah.
Got you that veteran discount.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then we came up with this scenario here. You wanted before you had an old
chain link. Also. So.
Yeah. And then we could just do a quick here. There, 2 gates. Got you 2 gates.
Yep.
So we got it done. So how you feeling about your new fence?
Man,
Tell
I'm
us.
good, man. It's the start of something bigger than what we're trying to do. Of course, we have to start with this. We want privacy, of course.
Right.
And that way, when we get to the yard, get all this straightened out. Might end up going on point.
All right.
Of course.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
So overall, you're happy with the fence?
I am ecstatic.
The whole process?
2 days.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
2 days.
And would you recommend us?
Yeah, without question.
All right.
Yeah, definitely get a recommendation.
All right, I appreciate you.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.